Now, how do you drag click on the iPad? Let's talk about it. But before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so it kind of depends on what you mean, because the iPad operating system is getting much closer to the desktop version. And if you want to drag click, meaning that you click on the one place and just drag it to select multiple different things, you need to have an accessory connected. A trackpad or the magic keyboard with a trackpad or a mouse is going to get the job done, because with this, you can just go to the Files app, for example, and just click on some random empty area and drag the mouse without lifting the finger, and you'll be able to select it like this. So if you mean by the drag click this, then this is how you do this. And of course, you need to have an accessory for it. Keep in mind, however, that if you go to the settings, accessibility, and then find the pointer control, which is like the mouse settings place, you can see then we have the double tap to drag option, and there are like three things to pick from. It can either be turned off, or it can be without a drag lock, or with drag lock, right? So you can see that you can double tap an item and drag it without lifting your finger. And after the second tap, dragging continues, and when you lift your finger, it stops, right? So it shows you what's really going on. So if you mean that, you need to have this turned on for it to actually work. So as I say, it kind of depends on what exactly you're going after, but I believe that it should be one of those things. So make sure you have it turned on in the settings, and you should basically get the most out of your iPad this way. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think about that below. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.